In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free shipping on Alibaba. By the end, you'll know exactly how to search, what to type, and how to confirm that shipping is truly included before you move forward. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Alibaba. You're looking for the official Alibaba.com website. Click the first result that takes you directly to the homepage. A quick tip here: make sure the URL shows Alibaba.com so you know you're on the legitimate site and not a lookalike. Once you're on the homepage, log in with your account. Being signed in helps Alibaba show accurate information for your location, including shipping estimates and currency. It also makes it easier to see whether a seller is offering free shipping to your specific country or region. Now head up to the search bar. The simplest way to surface listings that include shipping is to type your product name followed by the words free shipping. Keep it clear and specific. For example, if you're shopping for accessories, you could type phone case free shipping. This combination tells the platform exactly what you want and helps highlight relevant listings. Press enter to run the search. You'll see a grid of results. From here, start scrolling through the product tiles and pay close attention to the pricing area and the small text around it. Many sellers will clearly display phrases like free shipping, shipping included, or free freight on the listing preview. If you spot that, it's a strong sign you're on the right track. When something catches your eye, click into the product page to double check. Look for shipping details near the price or under a shipping or delivery section. Confirm that it lists free shipping to your destination, not just to a different country. Also note any minimum order quantity because some sellers only offer free shipping above a certain number of units or for specific variants. If the product has multiple options, select the one you want and see if the free shipping label remains in place after your selection. It's also helpful to review estimated delivery times. Free shipping often uses economy methods that take longer, so make sure the timeline works for you. If anything isn't crystal clear, use the message or chat button on the product page to politely confirm that shipping is included for your address and quantity. That's it. Search for Alibaba, click the official site, log in, type your product plus free shipping, use phone case free shipping as a model, then scroll and double check the listing and product page for a confirmed free shipping offer. Follow these steps and you'll quickly spot deals that include delivery at no extra cost.